traders, John Howe speaking. Going to do just a quick update on what the video I gave to you guys yesterday. What I'm looking at right now is simply the Dow Jones 30 chart, basically the chart I showed you guys yesterday. And I basically brought up this chart right in front of us right now, and we can see the trend line through here. And this chart that we went through yesterday, I'm not going to go through the whole lot again today, but this chart we spoke about how this sort of resistance through here is likely to become support through here, and we're likely to get a bit of upside. That's exactly what happened. If you can see here, that's exactly what happened through here on the Dow Jones. We've got a bit of a run to the high side, and I do believe it has a lot to do with the formation that the market is telling us right now. Nothing to do with indicators through here. Okay, we've got the peaks through here and the peaks through here. We've got the trough through here. And I talked about a technique called white space. And once again, if you come down to the trading room, I'll tell you what it is. But this white space technique that even my traders went through basically said that this was likely to go up. And basically, we actually bought the S&P. Let's quickly have the S&P here. We basically bought the S&P. This is the S&P chart. We bought the S&P chart in our trading room, and we picked up 6 points and 8 points. 6 points on the first contract. We picked up 6 points on the first contract, and then we picked up on the remaining, or on our first set of contracts, and then we picked up 8 points on our second contract. So, but anyhow, it's the exact same thing on the S&P, right? The S&P had this sort of starter, bit of a channel through here, which we identified basically yesterday, and we can see through here on the S&P, the S&P was right at this trend line through here, so we decided to buy it, and we're lucky to pick up a maximum of 8 points out of that trade. So it went much higher, but overall we still had a very, very nice trade overall. So that's a technique that you guys should be watching for. It's called white space. When a resistance and support change roles, it's not only does resistance and support change roles, but do you have the technique called white space involved? And if the white space is involved, then we generally have a nice little support level through here, and that's exactly what has happened. So basically, what I'm seeing right now is I'm basically seeing a lot more upside coming. And if I just quickly draw this through here, you can go basically from the top. Wrong one. You can basically go from the top here up through here. Okay. And if we have a look through that, then we can basically see that I believe we're going to get a nice little run through here, and quite possibly even make a run for it to the top of to the top of the channel up through here. So let's see what happens. Just again, just a quick update to show you that this stuff does really work. What I'm talking about is technical analysis. If you learn how to read these charts, back to the Dow Jones chart just quickly. This stuff really does work, and if you just take notice of it, once again, the support and resistance change roles. Very, very easy to understand, very, very easy analysis. And if you look at the chart on a different level, then instead of looking at indicators, the chart is telling you what's likely to happen. So just thought I'd give you an update and let you know what's happening here, guys. Hope you like this video, and remember that little technique, the support resistance change roles, and once again the white space technique, going based on the S&P. So traders who are listening to me in the trading room, well done. We're having a great month so far. And I'll speak to you guys soon. Okay, see you guys.